on behalf of the Rotary Club of Santa Mesa, welcome to the Club Leadership Learning Seminar. Thank you.
May this Club Learning Leadership Seminar be productive, inspiring, and meaningful for everyone. By the authority vested in me by District Governor Dorothy Cayu, it is my honor to now formally turn over the proceedings of this seminar to our incoming Governor, Governor Ryan Gray.
Thank you, Vice Governor Gov. Paul Angel Galang. I humbly accept this gong in Gabel as a symbol of leadership, service, and our shared commitment to create lasting impact. Thank you, Gov. It's not about us. It is about the district that we love. It is about the legacy we leave behind. I want to express my deepest gratitude sa inyong lahat na dumalo. Rotary International will remember us. We will be better than the best of the last 5 years.
You are stewards of Rotary's mission. You are the bridge between vision and execution. CLLS is your opportunity to prepare, to lead with purpose, to act with clarity, and to serve with greater impact.
Samahan po ako to protect what we have built, and we will secure it for the generation to come. Thank you once again. Together, let's create a lasting impact.